My background is I am the CEO of a company called FutureThink, and we're an innovation training and research firm. And there's about 17 of us, and we travel all over the world to help people solve the bigger problems better, to help learn about corporate change, to help people be better problem solvers and actually reach their potential. And the leaders that I work with, I help them not just lead change, but to get other people that they work with to better embrace it. And over the last couple years, I've studied a lot about change, organizational change. And what I realized was how we're going about it is all wrong. And the reason why is that we value the wrong things. When I travel, I ask groups of all levels, all industries, and all ages, what do they spend their day doing? What do you think the things are that they say? Just shout it out to me. You got it. The first two things universally that people say they spend their day doing are meetings and emails. But the number one thing they say that they're in charge of doing is innovation. I think that what we value is all wrong. We've made things so complex, meetings, reports, data, emails, processes, that has actually made us in a situation where thinking has become a daring act. Thinking has become a daring act. I work with a group at 3M, and they're a wonderful group of scientists I feel very privileged to get together with each year. And these group of scientists, the average person in the room, by the way, has 20 patents to their name. These are people that work with adhesives and polymers and wind turbines. They're just wildly creative, and they feel like they're just not that innovative because they don't have time. And I was at a cocktail party with one of the scientists. He's a really funny guy. He said to me, you know, Lisa, the brain is the most important and amazing organ. It starts working from the very second you wake up in the morning, and it doesn't stop until the very moment you set foot into your office. Now, why do we laugh? Because it's true, right? Thinking has become a daring act. But I think when it comes to change, and I've done some case study work over the last couple years that I want to share with you, that there's a very different way that we have to approach it. Sometimes the starting point for innovation isn't innovation. It's stopping doing things. It's simplifying. It's getting rid of so we can create the space for change in the first place. And there's actually little tips and techniques that I'm going to give you today that you can walk away with to help reach your potential right away.